So let's start off with the cheapest, and I would say the best value to performance upgrade that you can make, and that is your RAM. So whenever I went from 16 gigs to 32 gigs, I saw a huge difference. And I saw this in everything from video editing, image editing, multi-application use, my normal everyday workflow. I was able to do things faster and be more productive. And this is despite the fact that I was still using the same CPU and motherboard that I had when I built my computer back in 2016. And the overall cost of doing this was around $80 to $100. And I would say if you are thinking about improving the performance of your machine right away without spending a lot of money, then RAM should be the first place you should look.